What's up, everybody? This is Eric Computer Solutions. So, NUU Mobile have sent me out their latest offering for 2020. This is the NUU Mobile X6. This is a low-end budget device that costs only $99, but it does come with some goodies in the box. So we're gonna unbox it and see what it's all about. Sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I have the NUU Mobile X6, the $99 offering for 2020. Let's go to the unboxing and see what it's all about. As you can tell, the box in here is very nice, guys. It has more like a 3D look. Let's take the cover off and let's open the box. And you got the device on top here. All right, so what NUU Mobile does and what a lot of budget companies do is give you so much for the mighty dollar. So when you open it up, you get an array of accessories. So you get your NUU Mobile stuff, and then you get a screen protector in the box. So you know, this is weird. Like the $99 phones give you so much in the box. So you got the screen protector in the box. You have a subscription of Mint Mobile if you want to get Mint Mobile 3 months of service included, which is nice. You can go down and do this on Mint Mobile. Again, you got your quick start guide here. Again, this is what I'm talking about. You get a case in the box. A case. Wow. All right, so here's the battery because this device has a removable battery. All right, and you get your power brick. And so we're getting micro USB with this one. Not USB Type-C, so that's a bummer, but that's okay. And nothing else in the box. So yes, you get a screen protector and a case with this one here. So let's go over the tech specs. You got a 5.7-inch, 720p display. You got the MediaTek processor, 2 gigahertz. This 4G LTE. You got 3 gigs of RAM. You got 32 gigs of internal storage, and you got a 2800 milliamp battery. And you have dual cameras on the back, 13 megapixel and a 0.3 megapixel, also a 5 megapixel front-facing camera. So that is the tech specs. All right, guys, so this is the home screen. And even though it's 720p, it is a nice, beautiful home screen. Got some nice vivid colors there. And the blacks do look really deep. So that is a good thing. I mean, the blacks look really good here on this device. And wow. All right, so let's go and take a look at this device. On the right side here, you got your volume rocker, also with your power button. At the top, you got the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. In the back, you got dual cameras, fingerprint scanner. And on the other side, it's clean. And at the bottom, you got micro USB. You got 2 speaker grills here. One of them probably be 1 speaker, one for talk. I don't see a mic here. And I got a little gap here at the top. Look like the back don't want to close that well. So not sure about the build quality on this one, guys. But yeah, look at that. So this is a $99 device, guys. And let's go and talk about the cameras. All right, you got dual cameras on the back. Let me show you guys some photos using this camera. As you can see with the photos, guys, you be the judge for yourself when looking at this camera here on this device. Again, 99 bucks. You're not going to get too much. Breezing through the OS looks really good. I am going to download a game and see how gaming is on this device. Again, with the MediaTek processor with 3 gigs of RAM. Not too much of a gaming, but let's go in and find out if this device can play some games. All right, guys, so the load time was not that bad. Let's go to the resume here. And even though it's a 720p screen, it's not bad at all. The graphics look pretty good. Not bad. I mean, look, it's playing Asphalt 8 which is a very intense game here. So it's playing it. So yeah, I'll tell you what. And the sound quality is not bad so far doing the drift. So yeah. So yes, you can play some casual games on here. And look like we can do some stuff here. Because, I mean, look, here's the thing. For a $99 phone, you don't expect to play games at all. But look at this device playing games, guys. Boom. I mean, this is a $99 phone that will get things done. One of the unique features that I like about this device is the display. Even though it's 720p, it is dark, it's vibrant, the colors pop. And believe it or not, when I look at the display, I mean, you wouldn't even tell that it's a 720p display. It basically looked like a 1080p display, but we all know that, NUU Mobile have done a very good job on their past devices when it comes down to the display. So I like the display. When I review phones, I always think about the product versus cost versus product. And at 99 bucks, I mean, you can't go wrong. You get the phone, the screen protector, the case in the box, you get a fingerprint scanner, you get a pretty decent build. I mean, you have a removable battery, 720p, nice display on here. I mean, you got Android 9 on here. Hopefully they would get Android 10. All the bells and whistles included in the box. You got a little teardrop notch that's pretty decent. The speed of it and performance is pretty good for 99 bucks. So at the end of the day, I will leave all the links down in the description below. And I want to give a huge thanks to NUU Mobile and the NUU Mobile Group for sending this product out for review. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the little $99 NUU Mobile X6 in all his glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace. This phone got a headphone jack. This phone has a headphone jack. Later.